Hey, what's up guys, this is Blackline Android HD and today I'm gonna be showing you how to flash the latest stable build of Slimkat. It's called 9.0 and of course after the proper flashing I'll be showing you exactly as I always do a proper overview and walkthrough of the main features of this ROM. So these are the main files that you're gonna need in order to flash the ROM. So this is the actual build, the stable one, the 9.0. There is also a weekly developed base. So you may check that if you wanna have the latest bug fixes and latest updates for the base. But this time I'm gonna stick for the stable one because I guess you guys need a stable RAM and a stable ASP RAM, and that's what we're going to talking about in the next moment. So this is the main build and this is the Slim add-ons full gaps. So gaps means Google applications. This package includes every single Google app you'll find on Google Play, including Google Play itself. So let's get into proper flashing. So let me zoom out a little bit. So I got these two files stocked on my external SD card, as I'm going to show you here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I always do recommend making an Android backup before flashing any ROM, any type of ROM, because if you run into problems, you may like to have a backup of your current ROM and to come back to your previous ROM. So this is very important. Make an Android backup and you should be safe. Right now we're gonna go and wipe and format data. Sorry, not here. Let me check. So wipe and format options, factory reset, wipe cache, clean to install a new ROM. Yes, select this. So right now it's formatting data. This is a very important step because I'm going from TouchWiz official firmware to Slimkat ASP based. So Android open source project is very different. So it should be wiping from time to time. The proper overview afterwards, we flash this, will include every single feature of this ROM. So I'm recording this at 60 frames per second, so you guys will see the smooth animations and everything you'll need to know about this ROM. Okay, so right now it says wiping system. Yes, come on. Takes a little bit more. And now it should be finished. Yes. So right now we're gonna go to as far as you know, you'll need a custom recovery to flash custom ROM. So I'm using Fields Touch 6. I got a review on how to flash custom recovery. I'm gonna put a link in the description, so you'll be safe. Install zip and choose zip from SD card 1 since I've stocked it on the external SD card. And we're gonna see here two files as I've showed you earlier. This is the Slimkat base, official base. So we're gonna go and install this. It doesn't benefit of a ROM installer as most of ROMs do, but this is very slim. As you may see here, a big logo Slim, and you'll see what I'm talking about after the booting up. So the main features of this ROM are maybe I should call it the slimmest ROM for Galaxy S4, slimmest ASP ROM, because it's only I don't know, maybe 147 megabytes. Yeah, without gaps of course. But as you may see, it's already been installed. So right now we're gonna browse and select the Slim add-ons full gaps. Yeah. Right now it's installing all the Google apps, all possible Google apps. I don't know what to say about this. I had in mind one thing that I should have flash the slim minimal gaps. Perhaps this full gaps package will slow down my phone, but we'll see. And yeah, let's get into the proper booting. Right now the Galaxy S4 logo. I'm gonna show you the boot animation, and I'm gonna get back to you guys after it boots. Up, because the first boot is gonna be taking some time. So let me zoom in a little bit. You may see Slimkat, very nice and minimalistic boot animation. Sorry. Yeah, as you may see. So I'm gonna get back to you guys after it finishes the booting. Okay guys, so I'm back. We booted up in Slimkat version 9 stable. So this is how it looks like. The first thing you'll notice is the DPI. DPI has changed from a value of 480 to value of 320, I think. I might guess. I don't really know. But the second thing you'll also notice is that this is blazing fast. As you may see, I'm recording this at 60 frames per second, and the animations are barely smooth. So the only thing that I thought it was lagging was the notification bar after I've booted up the device, because it was kind of lagging right here down below, but now it's barely smooth, as you may see. The second thing I noticed, the third thing actually I noticed, sorry, was the notification toggle. As you may see here, I got a message. But what if I send myself a message? And for example, let me send myself a message just to show you how notification works. As you can see here, it's kind of a lollipop style notification. It just pops out on the top of the notification bar, top of the screen, sorry, and it looks like this. So you can reply to it, you can read it, you can call the person. So if we get into the notification part, let's talk about this. As you may see here, it's a full black notification bar. If you press this right button, you will get notification toggles, including your name. You should set your name right here, the owner, and other custom tiles you can customize later, and we're gonna get into that in a couple of moments. Now let's get into the features of this ROM. So if you go to settings, you'll notice right here that it's an option called in personalization called the Real Dark Slim. I love this feature. It's been this feature has been running on this since I got my Galaxy S1, I think, and it was running the Slim Bean. Yeah, and if you press the on button, you may see that all the interface has changed to a very black solid background. So every single thing has been inverted, including the apps. So this was the phone. This is the phone after you apply the Real Dark Slim. If you turn off, this is the phone you'll have with this turned off. So this is a kind of lollipop style phone application. But if I rather prefer this, it's my own opinion. I like the Real Dark Slim best. Okay, let's browse into other features like the Slim Recents bar. So I don't know if you noticed this, but this is a new way of multitasking. It's Slim ROM's own multitasking Recents bar. You may open couple of apps like phone, like browser, and let's browse into Gmail, DSP manager, and if my camera focus properly, I'm manual focus, Hangouts. Yeah, it was some lag right there because I haven't set my Google account, and okay, And as you may see here, these are all the apps that I opened. You can minimize them by pressing this button, and they look really good. And if you press this, you'll get this beautiful animation, slide animation, that you'll get into the app that you pressed. So this is interesting. So let's get back into the customization area. So we got an interface right here, berry icon. I don't know if you can see the stock berry icon, but we're gonna get through all the berry icons right here just to make sure you guys understand. So percentage, it will change the berry to percentage. Okay, icon with percentage. Yeah, it's very difficult to see because the percentage is on a black text. Icon with percentage GB style. Yeah, is the stock cyanogen mode berry, I guess. Circle berry mode, this is a more minimalistic berry icon. Circle berry with percentage inside main berry. Okay, sorry. Dotted circle. It's very hard to observe because the DPI is at a very low level. But I really like the way it looks. So, or no berry at all. But if you select icon, for example, and let's change the color to a red one, as you may see, it changes to a red one, and it looks very well in terms of customization. Okay, lock screen. We're gonna get into lock screen, and let me lock. As you may see, it has the CRT off screen animation, and let me focus. As you may see, really smooth, slim AOSP lock screen. So, okay, screen lock slide. Let's see if there is other things. Pattern. We're not gonna, you know, what every setting of screen lock does. The pattern pin. Yeah. Theme style. I'm gonna get into theme style. Slim icon. You may see right now the slim icon. Yeah, here. Instead of that simple AOSP circle, it looks very nice. But you can also set a custom icon from your sorry. Let's see what do we have here. So well, I guess this, for example, you may set up this picture. Sorry, come on, save, and you will notice it right here. So this is a very interesting way of customizing your lock screen. Very minimalistic. Colorize custom handle and other. So custom the handle, that white handle you will see. So slider target and shortcuts. Slider targets. So you'll have here different apps that you may want to select. For example, let's see slim actions. For example, let's screen off while sliding up. This is a very strange way of demonstrating, but yeah, you just lock your phone for closing it up afterwards. Yeah, that's very intelligent of me. Thumbs up for that. Big shout out for me. Slider targets, shortcuts from different apps, I guess. Slider torch. Double tap and hold the slider to start touch. Double tap. Well, there's no touch. Well, I guess it's not working. Or I don't know what to do. But shake events, horizontal shake, back and forth shake. So what does this do? Keyboard, camera, pie controls, navigation, screen off. Let's see again if. Well, shit! It really did it. So I'm not pressing anything. But if you have some strong hands, yeah, you may look into that. but for now I'm gonna turn it off. None. We're gonna select it to none. Let's see if touch really works if we do like this. So yes, it is really working. So, and if we, yes, it automatically closes. Lock screen rotation, yeah, this may be interesting. Landscape only. Yeah, so we got the landscape lock screen. Lock screen rotation disabled. Battery status, always show battery status on keyword. Widgets, so we may enable widgets like you can on the official TouchWiz ROM. You may add up some informations about your phone's owner, actually yourself. Yeah, and that's it. Let's dig into quick settings. So quick settings is this styles right here. Actually, so styles and layouts. Yeah, you may add different shortcuts. Okay, took a lot. So airplane mode, it's already there. Let me see. Go to sleep, for example. LTE, quick record, shake event, sound, time, torch, time switcher, themes to switcher, volume. Okay, so let's see right now what do we got here. So we got a volume. Okay, you can personalize your volume, intensity. Go to sleep, just turns off the device. Quick pull down, smart pull down. So no persistent, yeah. Things you'll need to find out by yourself. Style. So we got style. Oh yeah, this is you can customize the color of each one. Let's see. I don't know if you can notice, but these styles are working on a grayish color, but we're gonna set it to a black one. Just they look incredibly better now. I can actually see my reflection right here. Hello guys. Okay, any other things? Status bar, clock and date enabled. Alignment, you can center your clock. Date, small font size here. So Friday 6:20 PM, of course. Recent apps panel. So this we've been talking. Sorry, it's very hard to manipulate your device while recording because I'm seeing this on a. Okay, my PC just went to sleep. Okay, expanded mode. So always to see all your apps in expanded mode, like here. Show on left edge, you can see your latest apps also on left edge. Size, you may, yes, let's take a look at 70%. Yeah, it looks even more minimalistic. Panel background color, card background color. Yeah, yeah. Heads up. So this don't know what it is, but you may find it by yourself. haven't seen this feature on official site, so I can't make an opinion about it. So high notification levels, custom carrier label right here. Notification transparency, you may set it to 100 to think yeah, it's about background style. So this default background. Let's fill with red, for example, and yeah, this very nice way of customizing your AOSP ROM. Enable notification reminder. Okay. Any other things? Navigation, it's called Slimkat, the most popular feature. So Slimkat buttons, style animation. You will be able to, well, I don't know where it should pop out while sliding. Trigger options, let's see this. Screen border. Trigger right screen. Yes, this Slimkat. So it shows some informations about your device, like your clock, the carrier provider, the date, the battery percentage, and also you may open some custom apps, like for instance this is set up with some very useful shortcut, like power off your device, yeah, the quick settings. You can also pop up from the bottom of the screen. You can search, you can see your quick settings. You can go to home. For instance, you can see your recent apps and so on. So let's get back into this. Any other things: global menu, hardware buttons, navigation bar. You may set up your navigation bar like it is on Nexus device, for example, with touch buttons right here instead of this one, but it's kind of useless because Samsung has its own touch keys. Shake events, I've shown you this earlier. Slim center, so I think this is over the air. Yeah, you can update your device over the air. As you may see, your system is up to date. So yeah, change log. Any other things? Personalization stuff. Yeah, screen color modes, miscellaneous things, audio things. Just to make sure you guys know that I'm running Slimkat, we're gonna get here and see Slim version 4.4 build 9 official build number, and we're about to enable developer options. But Android 4.4.4 KiCad. Bing. Yeah, Slimkat 4.4.4. So let's make a quick speed test. As you may see, it's running barely smooth. All animations are running properly. Clock, let's open clock. Yeah, timer, stop. Camera. Sorry, let's dig into camera. What? Let's camera. Yeah. So skip. Yes. So touch to focus. Let's focus on this one. Touch to focus. Let's see. Okay, picture taken. It has, yes. You can slide up, slide right to see your latest. It's pretty sharp. It's not as clear as this official Samsung base, and will never be, because Samsung never shares its leaves, never makes them public to port them for AOSP. So that's why this is called Android Open Source project, because Samsung is a closed base. So messaging, Hangouts, keep all the Google apps you'll need, including YouTube. You'll have a simple Explorer, Slim Explorer as default Explorer. Torch, and mainly, yeah, this is the ROM. Let's see again the lock screen. Yeah, it looks pretty sick. So this was the overview of Slimkat latest 9.0 build. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and by doing this you'll be always updated with latest tutorials and overviews of different ROMs based on TouchWiz, AOSP, Google Edition projects and so on. So thanks for watching, bye bye.